Okay, so originally I was gonna show y'all my next step, which would be lashes, but I feel like I look crazy with just my brows on. So I'm gonna put on my base and I'm gonna show you guys how I get the perfect base for summer. I am gonna be using a new product though, so it is still my normal base, but I'm just going to be adding a new thing because a friend of mine thought of me and this didn't fit her, so she gave it to me. It's the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Dark 5 or Zombie.
So it looks like this.
So pretty. I'm gonna shake it up. Dark 5 Zombie or Zambie. We're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm not even gonna be using this yet, but we're gonna shake it up anyway. If this is your first video during my mini series of how to get the perfect base makeup, hi. I hope you check out my eyebrow video. Definitely just filmed that. Got the eyebrows on fleek, period. So this is part 2, which is my foundation routine. This is gonna include my base, my primer, my foundation, and my concealer. Essentially the whole face part of it. Yeah. And strict tutorial form. The only thing that won't be in it is liner, any eye stuff really. So if you guys want to see how I get the perfect summer base, then keep on watching. Okay. Since it's summer and you definitely want to have more of a glowy look, or at least I prefer to have more of a glowy look, I have different steps that I do that I don't usually do in the winter. So we're just going to take some of my rose water and I'm just gonna spray my face. Just to get my face nice and moist. And then I'm just going to pat this in on a dry beauty blender right now. If this video goes into a voiceover, it's because my roommates are currently washing their laundry and our washer is so freaking loud. But I just want to show you guys everything that I use before I go into the voiceover part. So I use the Tarte maracuja oil. This is the travel size because I'm cheap. I use this as my base. I also go on top with the Fenty Beauty profilter. This is also the travel size because once again I'm cheap. My foundation today will be the NARS Creamy Radiant, and then my concealer will be my Fenty Beauty concealer in 450. This is my favorite color. On my skin it is very bright, but I blend it out so that it doesn't look so bright. And then to contour and set my face, I will be using the Black Radiance Street Complexion contour palette in dark to deep, and I will also be setting my face with the Makeup Revolution baking powder in banana.
do wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love, you just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way. Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror.
Now, I know we look crazy, especially when we added it down here. But we're setting this area to the gauze. Like, we don't want this area to budge, bro. Because especially with me, I have very oily skin. This is how we set our makeup down. Okay? And no, we're not going to have flashback. You'll see. You'll see.
Say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
And that is how I do my base makeup. Just to make sure we're set in place, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Sports Fix, which is extra hold. And then I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are sticking around for this whole series because next up is definitely lashes. And then obviously I'm gonna come back and do another video with like everything completely done. Lashes, brows, a makeup, an eye look, my foundation, lippy, highlighter, because obviously there's no highlighter on right now. So make sure you stick around for the final tutorial for the series.
Like this is the game, girl.